Tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Oye, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Sube, sube. Quiero ver bailar tu pelo, quiero ser tu ritmo. Que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favoritos. Favorito, eso vendámelo. Yo sé que estás pensándolo. Llevo tiempo intentándolo. Mami, estoy mirándolo. Sabe que tu corazón conmigo te hace bomba. Sabe que sabe la está buscando de mi bomba. Me pruebas de mi boca para ver cómo te sabe. Quiero ver cuánto amor a ti te cabe. Yo no tengo prisa, yo me quiero dar viaje. Empezamos lento, después salvaje.
Only going to stand on the neck. No way! Tony, what did you do that for? God, are you bleeding? Hey.
Do you mean it? Look, if you didn't, you just say so. Do it now. I need to know.
I'm in it.
All right, then.
Now you're fast on your feet and know how to get in and out. Got a pharmacy run you in?
Miss, what's the water situation?
Got 5 wells on our land. House wells directly from number 1. Number 2 wells right over there. We use it for the power base, which is pure. Take what you need. There's a part containers in the generator shed behind the house. I'll go tell you to watch them.
Oh, Jesus.
Give up our guns.
Alright, let's check the patch notes for The Sims 3. Kleptomaniac Sims can no longer steal subway stations from lots. Sims can no longer woohoo in the elevator with a Sim who is on a different floor. The Grim Reaper will no longer be prevented from reaping souls due to band affiliation. Fixed a tuning issue so that Sims now vomit at acceptable levels. It is no longer possible to try for baby with a Grim Reaper. Become enemies with child wish no longer appears. Sims who are on fire will no longer be forced to attend graduation before they can put themselves out. Pregnant Sims can no longer brawl. Baby Sims will no longer become stuck on a Sim's hand while driving a car. Sims will no longer receive a wish to skinny dip with mummies. A meteor can hit a building, which case everyone will run out before the collision. Those who do not exit the building will die. Sims automatically leave if a meteor is approaching unless it is a school in which children are not allowed to leave and will always die.
Yes, it was pouring down rain on my drive to Eugene. I just, oh my gosh, Rousseau! Oh, you should see what Rousseau's doing. He's so strong and fast. Oh, that's more amazing than what Xavier did that time. Amazing.
The very brave witch at the Eid said, "Light the hammer on her brow," and they had a great team. Never go through a window when there's a tornado, and do not go higher a tornado. All kinds of weather can be dangerous. The ice crime crack pulled ook and we got some. We loved it. So we went home. He showed us what the Kaslashans looks like, and I had fun, and his porno is lesser. I had a great time when I was chickacrit. I had lots of makeup on my face.
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. Our full commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this far. I just wanna tell you how I feel. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around. Desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell you a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long. Your heart